Welcome back to It From Us. If information really is more fundamental than matter, physics is the first place we should expect to see the cracks. And we do. Classical physics painted the universe as a machine. Particles, forces, clockwork determinism. But over the last century, that picture is fractured. Quantum mechanics shows particles behaving like probabilities until they're measured. Wave functions collapse, not because of a push or a pull, but because information is updated. John Wheeler called it the Great Smoky Dragon. Reality not quite real until it's observed. Then there's black hole physics. Stephen Hawking and Jacob Bekenstein found that a black hole's most important property isn't its mass or size. It's its entropy, a measure of information. Later, the holographic principle suggested that all the information in a region of space could be encoded on its boundary surface, as if the universe is a kind of cosmic hard drive. Even time itself is under question. Physicists like Carlo Rovelli argue that time is not fundamental, but emergent, another way the universe keeps track of information. The picture that's emerging is strange, but consistent. Information isn't just bookkeeping. It might be the actual fabric of reality, the thing from which matter, energy, and even space-time arise. In It From Us, I argue that these aren't just curiosities of physics. They're pointing to a deeper truth, that reality is built to persist, and information is the way it does that. Matter and energy are just the current rendering in an information-first framework of reality. If that's true, then physics is not just describing a machine. It's describing a story. And every law of nature is one of its rules for coherence. Next, we'll follow that story into biology. Because if the universe is built from information, then life itself is proof that information doesn't just exist. It wants to organize, replicate, and endure. This is It From Us.